Dishwasher's broken, needs to be replaced. Quick video on taking out an old dishwasher, how to remove the electrical connections, the water connections, and take it out safely. So first thing we need to do is turn off the power to the dishwasher. So I'm out at the main service panel. I'm gonna check, figure out which one is my fuse. Flip the fuse, so cut the power off to the dishwasher. The green blinky lights are off. Looks like the power's out. We'll double check that before we start doing anything with the tick tester. Most dishwashers have a little cover plate down here below. See where it's at. It's held on with some kind of screw or nut arrangement. It's going to take these out and we'll have access to all the connections. So this dishwasher's got a extra little sound dampening device down here. That's what this tray is. This is the drain line, the plastic drain line here. You can see right back up in here, this is the water connection. It's got an elbow on it. It's coming from the water connection from underneath the sink up to the dishwasher. And over here behind this warning is where the electrical connections are. I'm underneath where the plumbing connections are. This is underneath the sink. This valve right here is for the dishwasher. It's going to turn it and cut the water off to the dishwasher. Okay, we're back underneath the dishwasher. Power's off, water's off. Next thing we're going to need to do is break the connection here at the power and get the electrical connections off. Take off the drain hose and remove the water connection here. Got the wire out now, so the wire was removed from this box. Got the white, the black, and the ground, and then we have the strain relief that's back here. That's going to be important for the next dishwasher. We'll need to reinstall the strain relief. Most of the time these new boxes don't come with them. Next step is going to be taking off the drain. You can see there's this green thing here is a clamp. I'm going to take a pair of pliers, push it in, and be able to move the clamp back, and then separate these two tubes and be able to disconnect the drain that way. All right, last thing I'm going to need to do is right here. I'm going to disconnect the water supply to the dishwasher. Usually a little bit of water coming out, not as bad as the what I had from the drain earlier. If you notice, it's a little bit cleaner in here. And one of the problems with this particular dishwasher is that the cycle got stuck apparently and didn't drain out the rest of the water from the interior of the machine, so I had a bit of a spill. I had to clean that up before I got to this part here. So just be aware that that may be the same thing when you're taking yours apart, and make sure you have a bunch of towels standing by. So dishwashers are going to have an attachment point in one of two spots. This one happens to be right up in here. It's in the bottom of the cabinet. Sometimes you'll see them on the side of the cabinet as well. Usually going to be one or two screws that you're going to need to take out. That's what holds the dishwasher in. And once we take this out, we'll be ready to pull this unit. Right, you can see the attachment points from up above. This is all that was holding it in there. Now I have to do is kind of work this thing out. Be ready to install a new one.